Katie. Mrs. Smith went to Washington and won. Former Playboy playmate Anna Nicole Smith's bid to get part of her late husband's fortune has new life today thanks to a very unlikely group of allies, the Supreme Court. Here's NBC's justice correspondent Pete Williams.
Anna Nicole Smith's lawyer says she's extremely excited by the Supreme Court's unanimous ruling in her favor. It's an important legal victory for the former exotic dancer and Playboy magazine playmate who married Texas billionaire j.Howard Marshall when she was 26 years old. He was 89. She claimed he planned to leave her millions, and 2 federal courts have so far been sympathetic to her case.
I would love to, but I can't speak about the case.
Marshall's son, Pierce, says there never was any such promise. He has so far prevailed in state court in Texas and urged the justices to rule that only state courts have authority to decide probate disputes like this. But in a 9-0 ruling, the court rejected that argument. A spokesman for Pierce Marshall says he won't quit.
Mr. Marshall is as determined today as he was when this case started that he is going to fight to clear his name. He is going to fight for what his father wanted to do with his father's money.
In the ruling, Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg said federal courts do have authority to referee disputes involving estates, especially cases like this that involve issues beyond merely interpreting a will. Anna Nicole Smith claims that Pierce Marshall tampered with legal documents to try to block her husband's true wishes. But Pierce Marshall's lawyers say the Supreme Court ruling is only a temporary setback.
My client Pierce did not do any of the misdeeds that she alleges. In fact, he was cleared of that in the Texas probate court, and we're confident that our arguments are the correct ones and that we ultimately will prevail.
The Supreme Court's ruling doesn't award Anna Nicole Smith a nickel, but it does allow her to go a few more rounds in a legal battle for millions that's already 11 years old. For today, Pete Williams, NBC News at the Supreme Court.